What up guys, and welcome back to another video right into my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to fix every kind of FPS dropping, stuttering or freezing issue you're currently having with Krunker. So stick to the end guys, this will be a step-by-step tutorial and in the end you will perfectly know what to do in order to fix this kind of issue. Before we start right into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I would really appreciate it if you would just leave a like, a comment or a subscription right into my YouTube channel. It would really help me out as a little YouTuber as I am. But without further ado, I don't want to waste any of your time anymore. Let's get right started. So the first thing I want you to do, if your game freezes, FPS drops or stutters, I want you to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen or click onto the Windows symbol. You're gonna click on that. Hit settings. Afterwards, go right onto system. Stick right around display. So the first thing you want to do is to identify which your main monitor is. So if you have two monitors, of course you need to identify which one is the main one. If you have just one, it's obvious. So click on the identify and just click on which one should be the main monitor. So color profile doesn't really matter. You're going to go down to scale and layout, where I want you to change the size of text tabs and other items to 100% as recommended if it is something else. Afterwards, go to display resolution, where I want you to keep it right onto the resolution which your game has. So for example, if your game has 1720 by 1080, I want you to change this also to 1720 by 1080. And afterwards, you can basically go to storage. What I want you to do at storage is really simple. I want you to click onto configure storage sensor, run it now. As you can see, there is an algorithm which you can change for your preferences, but I want you to just keep my settings. So every week, 14 days, 60 days, afterwards click on clean now, which will delete every single temporary file which you're currently having on your PC and you don't really need. So it will get, you'll get rid of like trash you don't need. Go back once. Oh, was a double click. Then you hit power and sleep. So the fifth one, hit on that. And I want you to click onto additional power settings right on the right side. Click on that. And as you can see now, you can choose what you're going to do. So there are additional plans like high-tech power saver, quick CPU, add, etc, etc. And the most used are high performance and recommended. And I can really tell you now which is the best one. You need to check it for yourself. So click onto high performance or balance, and afterwards just check which is currently running better or which is working better with your PC. So once you're finished with that, you can basically end this task. The next thing I want you to do is going to be to go to the top left corner of the screen. You're going to hit on settings, go back once, hit gaming. Once you hit gaming, you're going to see the Xbox game bar. So as you can see, I've turned this off, and I also want you to turn this off because the Xbox game bar will just suck a lot of performance. You don't want it if this is running in the background all the time. It will suck performance. It will cause your game to freeze, especially on low-end PCs. It will basically just crash your game or just cause FPS drops. So just keep in mind that you turn this one off. Afterwards, big step, go to captures. This will take quite a while. And I want you to go to background recording, go to record in the background while I'm playing a game. And obviously, please turn this off. If this is on, I've no wonder why you're having FPS drops or just freezing or like stuttering in general, because everyone knows if you're recording something, it will suck a lot of performance. And especially on low end or bad PCs, this will cause crashing, FPS drops, stuttering at all. So just turn this, please turn it off. And also don't record audio. It will just don't impact it as much as recording the background, but audio will also suck a lot of performance. So just turn this off. If you want to record, use please another program. Do not use Windows for that. Just use as me. I'm using OBS. Don't use Windows for that. Afterwards, hit game mode. And now this one is a little bit tricky because I can tell you now to turn this off or on. You need to check it for yourself, but just keep in mind you need to check it. So turn this on, try a game which is working better, or turn this off. You just need to check it for yourself. And once you're finished, go back once to the main settings. The next thing I want you to do is going to be to click onto update and security. Click on that. Now stick around Windows Update. So this will sound a little bit basic, but trust me, it will help you a lot. Just updating every single driver you're currently having on your PC will help you a ton. So click on to check for update. As you can see, mine is last checked today at 11 AM. So don't really need to update that, but some PCs don't have this automated thing. So you need to do it manually. So just do me a favor, click on check for updates, update your Windows, and you will be fine by that. Afterwards, click onto troubleshoot. And here you can use your own operating system to find any not working, broken data, which is currently just, destroying your PC or just not really helpful, and it will just delete it or just repair it. So once you're finished with that, you're gonna end this one. And now I want you to navigate or head right onto your graphics card panel or application which you're having on your PC. If you're using NVIDIA, just use NVIDIA GeForce. And I want you to ask the same thing as Windows, just download the latest version of your driver, because it will help you a ton. And some games don't even work with older versions, so just keep it in mind to keep it updated. Check for automated updates. This will help you a ton, and you don't need to do that manually every single time. Next thing I want you to do is going to be to take your launcher shortcut. For me is Steam. You're going to right click that, so right click it. And afterwards, you're gonna go down to run as an administrator, which will do the simple thing that it will start your launcher. And afterwards, I want you to start the game over your launcher. And this will probably fix your issue. If it doesn't, you're gonna take your launcher shortcut, you're gonna right click it. You're gonna head down to properties. Once this tab pops up, I want you to click onto compatibility. And as you can see, I have some settings and I want you to copy them. So let's quickly run through it. Compatibility mode, I want you to enable run this program in compatibility mode 4. And now you need to select the latest version of Windows, which is currently available for you. Afterwards, disable reduced color mode, disable run in 640 by 480 screen resolution, disable full screen optimizations, as well as enable run this program as an administrator. So this will basically automatically start your launcher every time with administrator. And I want you to obviously also disable register this program for restart. After I just did it, so I don't need to click on apply. You need to click on apply, and after it's okay. Now it's really, before you restart your PC, you can also take your game shortcut and repeat the same thing for that. And now I want you to restart your PC, and you need to start your game over the launcher or directly from your shortcut, and this will probably fix your issue. Next thing I want to show you to reduce like stutterings and freezes, I want you to head down to your taskbar. You're gonna right click it, hit task manager. Once this one pops up, I want you to simply, you're gonna see on processes, so you're gonna head to the top left corner of your screen, you're gonna see processes. You're gonna see CPU, GPU, memory, all the stuff. And I want you to keep an eye on GPU and CPU. So and every single process in the apps like location and background, which is currently having too much GPU CPU usage, by just simply hitting right click and click onto end task. And you can also do that by closing the background processes, which are currently having too much GPU CPU usage, but just keep in mind some of them are useful for your device to run, so just don't end them. Afterwards, go to the top left corner, click onto startup. And now you're going to see those automatically starting applications when you start your PC. And I want you to simply disable every single one which you don't need, which is currently all the time running in the background. This will cause your game 100% to freeze or to stutter in some way. So just right click it and click onto disable. Next thing, I want you to go to the top left corner of your screen again, click onto details. And now you need to have your game running. I don't have it, so just it's the same thing. So just do the same thing which you're doing to Adobe Premiere Pro with to the game. So you're gonna right click it, you're gonna go to set priority, and now you need to check which is working better for you, high or real time. You need to click on high or real time and just look which is currently working better. It will just set a priority for the game for your PC, and that the performance will run to the game. So once you finish with that, I want you to end this task. So the next thing I want you to do is going to be to right click right onto your desktop. And if you have NVIDIA, you're going to use NVIDIA, obviously. And if you don't have NVIDIA, you're using another graphics card driver, you can click on that one. So click on NVIDIA control panel. This will take quite a while to start. So as you can see, it's started. And next thing you want to do is going to be to go to the top left corner of your screen. You're going to click on the adjust image settings with preview. Yeah. And as you can see, you need to enable use my preference emphasizing. So you have a bar where you can move this one around, and I have it on quality because my PC can take it. But if your PC can't take it, you just need to take this bar and pull it right back onto performance. This will just go just straight to performance. It will not impact your quality as bad as you think, and it will help you a lot, trust me. And another thing you want you to do is going to be to, again, top left corner, click on the display, click on the change resolution. And now the same thing as previously mentioned, I want you to check if your PC is currently, or your monitor is currently using the same resolution as your in-game. So if you're in-game, again, having like 1780 by 1080, I want you to change this here on customize, so you're having the same resolution for your monitor and your game. So once you finish with that, you're going to end this one. And at this point, I thank you a lot for listening to the video. I hope I could really help you out of this one. I'm really sorry if I couldn't, but I'm trying my best. And yeah, I would be really happy if you could just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right into my channel. It would really make my day. And if you have any problem with any other game, I uploaded probably a video for that, so check them out and have a nice day. See you at the next one.